Hi, friends in Kenya. My name is Cami, and I'm from Canada, and I work in a rural school district out in the prairies. And I'd like to tell you about some of the things that we do to bring STEM education to our students. Our province is right in the middle of North America, and it's geographically huge. It takes me 4 hours to drive from one end to the other, and I get to go around and help students and teachers put STEM into their education. We have some great programming that puts everyday learning into STEM. We have a flight academy, we have drones, we build greenhouses, and we do robotics, all sorts of things that are going to prepare students for careers in aviation and the trades. One of our big projects is our flight academy, and you can see right here a plane that our students have built, this little RV-12. Here it is up in the sky, and so our students learn aeronautics, fabrication, mechanics, credits, all sorts of things as they build that plane. They learn how to read blueprints, use tools, and really gain a lot of great real world experience. One of the things that we also have in our flight academy is students get their basic drone pilot license. And so they learn to fly and operate drones. Every year we have a drone competition where the students get together from multiple schools and they get to fly drones. There's them practicing in one of our indoor facilities, learning to fly their drones because we think that that's going to be such an important part of agriculture and manufacturing careers in the future. And we have lots of agriculture where we're from. And so we really are hoping that students are going to maybe get off the tractor and into some of the drones. Speaking of agriculture, we have lots of greenhouse technology, and there's all sorts of STEM at work in a greenhouse, from hydroponics to irrigation to fertilizer chemistry, construction, mathematics, and sciences everywhere in a greenhouse. For some of our junior high students, so that's students that are about 11 to 14 years old, we have skills exploration days across the province. So those are days when students get to try out all sorts of different kinds of trades and tools. And again, they're using their math and science to build and take a look at careers in different technologies. And that's a great introductory experience. So they get to maybe try some things they wouldn't have otherwise. We have lots of virtual reality. Around explore world. Okay, ski jump. We also use Minecraft as a way to show curricular outcomes. And of course, we also have robotics. We like to use VEX robotics. And our students, as young as kindergarten, grade 1 and 2, are learning to use robotics, as are some of our older students. And so those are some of the ways in Prairie Rose Public Schools back in Canada that we are helping to foster STEM schools to help students along.